Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Yesterday I made I think 3 videos on this right here. And one of my subscribers took it a little further and did this to it and did this to it, made a pattern. Now, one thing he didn't do, and maybe I'll help him figure out how to do it. Now it's not interlocking or over under, but I did it. I've done it 3 different ways. And I like this. So to do that, we're going to take this and hit P, go in the center. Well, let's move that out of the way. Let's move all this stuff kind of out of the way for a second. I like working in the center of the page for a read. Matter of fact, he made his page little, I'm going to make it 20 by 20, which doesn't make sense, but it'll be big enough. Now I'm going to hit P, put that in the center of the page. Now, if I want to do this right here, I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill it in. Doesn't really matter what color. I'm going to fill that in. I don't know why it's taking so long. I hope I didn't hit outside the lines and it's coloring the whole thing. I actually talked to Corel one day and wish they could have a stop button, stop the stuff from moving. Now, let's take this out of the way and let's move these back and let's left click, right click in black right now. Now let's take this line and make it, well, let's see what our contour tool color is. It's yellow. So I'm going to make this line red. I'm actually going to make it a little bit, he draws in, I'm going to see what that looks like. Now, okay, I'm going to go back to hairline and I'm going to show you something. This is the parallel dimension tool. I'm going to measure this. So it's 1.36 big. So if you wanted to contour that evenly, get out a calculator and go 1.36 divided by 8 is 0.17. So let's take this and contour 0.17 8 times to the inside. And look what you get. Now I can make those lines thicker in a minute, and we will later. Now, I thought I was going to make that one, but I'm going to make, well, you know what? I want to make that other one first. So this time sorry about that. I'm going to contour the inside 0.001 and you're going to get that. Now this one, we're going to start with a yellow line and I'm going to contour in red and you get that. And I could have used any color. Let's just go with that. Now, why I'm working instead of, you know what, that looks like it's kind of overhanging a little bit, but it's not. I'm going to go ahead and group this together, Control G, Control D, alternate C to have it rotate from the center. And that's what's cool about this alternate C. It works on any page size. Now let's rotate it 90 degrees, Control D, and look at that. I'm not a big fan of let's back up here. I'm not a big fan of that blue. Yeah, I thought I had two. I'm going to ungroup that for a second. And I'm going to take away the fill, if it'll let me. Oh, man, that's beautiful. I think I'm going to keep that. Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, alternate C, 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to break this. I don't like my videos being too long, so I'm going to break it up into 2 more parts. And I'm going to make this one. And see, this one is just cool, but this one is interlocking. And there's a special little touch you can do for that. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea, and I really appreciate that subscriber. I think this is the second time he's given me a tip, taking my design. He actually called it Doug's Design. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.